Good day everyone. In this video I will show you how to install these spring bar strap adapters for GShock like this. And yeah, maybe you still remember that in the previous video I show you how to install this resin strap adapter, and today we will remove this adapter and install this one. Okay, now let's start by removing the adapters. The same step will also apply if you still have the original strap on the watch. Okay, so you will need a spring bar remover like this one. Sometimes it comes with the package of the adapter, but you can also buy separately. But if in case you don't have this tool, you can also use this one, a small screwdriver. But in this video I will just use this one. It's easier to use spring bar remover. Okay, so I put the tip of the spring bar remover with a Y shape like this to this position, and then push the spring bar and it is opened like this. Same step for this one. Okay, done. And now I'm going to install these two adapters which has spring bars on the other side. Okay, so first I put the 16mm spring bar here like this, and then put on the watch lock like this, and I push the spring bar with spring bar remover. Okay, it still doesn't work as expected. I might have another solution. Let me try to use a smaller spring bar. Same 16mm size but smaller diameter. Okay, let me try. See, it fits easier with this. So yeah, it's easier to install with smaller spring bar, as you might see here that at the moment it's too small to see on the camera. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm using a 1.3mm spring bar as opposed to the original one, 1.7. And next I can put the outer spring bar, 22mm in this case. So let me show you, it's 22mm wide. And with this I can use a Nato strap. So here's how it looks with 22mm Nato strap. Okay, it's more suitable with the width. Unlike the previous adapter that we tried. We can also use this MN strap. And to install this MN strap we need to open the spring bar first, but it's easy to do in this adapter model. I don't even need any tool to do that, just using my nails. Yeah, so now we have this MN strap installed like this. And this is how it looks with 22mm MN strap. Okay, some notes for these strap adapters. First, it's also easy to find on the marketplace, but maybe not as easy as the previous one, the resin type. Okay, and then it also has similar compatibility list with GShock models, but maybe you will find it a bit difficult to install. And if it happens, you can try to change the spring bar from the original one, the 1.7mm thick spring bar, to the smaller one, 1.3mm spring bar, like this. And then you can use these strap adapters with MN strap, Nato strap, and so on. And also the size itself is very fit with 22mm strap, so not moving around like this type of adapter. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope this is useful and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.